We're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've secured this 2017 Lamborghini Aventador with a Starline Pro. So if a thief gets into the house, they steal this key, or they do a relay attack, get in and try to start the vehicle. It's just not going to start up. As you see, the vehicle's not starting. So what we got to do, turn the ignition on. If you want to use the code, you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, and start. Once you hear a tone. But people don't like to use codes. They just like it to be nice and simple. So we turn our Bluetooth on our phone. It can be just in our pocket and locked. We get in the car, start it up, and it fires into life. No need to waste any time doing a code. Taking the car for a service and you want to turn the system off, you just press and hold in here. You have a green circle, meaning the vehicle's protected. If we keep it held, it turns yellow. Now we'll let go. We get 2 bleeps. This is now a normal vehicle, meaning when you take it back to Lamborghini, no need to tell them there's a Immobiliser on here. Don't need to tell them a code. Don't need to leave your phone in the vehicle. It's just a normal car, and it's going to start and drive. When you get it home, you can turn it back on by just pressing and holding in the app. Let go. We get 2 bleeps. The system's back on. So I'll just turn the Bluetooth off, and the vehicle's secure. This has an adjustable range, so you don't need to toggle your Bluetooth. When you leave, the phone will become out of range and you won't need to worry about it. If you want to change your code, the way you'll do that, turn the ignition on. First prove it's you, so the phone's off. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to have to use the code. We hear a disarm tone. Now to change the code, we'll press any button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off. Pause for a second and back on. It's ready for a code. So we'll just set up, up, down, down. We'll wait for a confirmation and repeat again. Up, up, down, down. Wait for a confirmation. And we can turn the vehicle off. That's the code set. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2017 Lamborghini Aventador protected with a Starline Pro. Thanks for watching.